Welcome back to AdventureScope, your ultimate destination for travel tips, adventure, stories, and everything in between. In today's video, we're going to dive deeper into some extra tips that can help you save money on your travels. So grab your backpack and let's get started. Tip number 1, always take a Tuesday flight. Did you know that flights on Tuesdays are often the least expensive to book? That's because there is typically low demand for flights on this day of the week. By choosing to fly on a Tuesday, you increase your chances of finding great deals and saving money on your airfare. Tip number 2, take only carry-on luggage when traveling. One of the simplest ways to save money while flying is to pack light and bring only carry-on luggage. By avoiding hold luggage fees, which can be quite hefty, you can fly for less money and keep more cash in your pocket. Plus, traveling with carry-on luggage gives you the freedom to move quickly and bypass long waits at baggage claim. Tip number 3, use a travel rewards credit card. If you're a frequent traveler, it's worth considering a travel rewards credit card. These cards often offer various benefits like airline miles, hotel discounts, and other travel perks. By using the rewards wisely, you can save money on flights, accommodations, and even enjoy upgrades or access to exclusive lounges. Tip number 4, explore local transportation options. When you arrive at your destination, instead of relying solely on taxis or rental cars, take advantage of local transportation options. Public buses, trains, trams, or even bicycles can be cost-effective alternatives for getting around. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have a more immersive experience and get a chance to interact with the locals. Tip number 5, eat like a local. Dining out can quickly eat into your travel budget, but by opting to eat like a local, you can save money while experiencing the local cuisine. Venture away from touristy areas and explore local street food stalls, markets, or smaller restaurants. These hidden gems often offer delicious and authentic meals at a fraction of the cost. Tip number 6, book in advance or last minute. When it comes to accommodations, timing is everything. Depending on the destination and season, booking well in advance or waiting until the last minute can sometimes lead to significant savings. Do your research, compare prices, and keep an eye out for special deals or discounts that may arise. Being flexible with your travel plans can pay off in terms of cost savings. Tip number 7, embrace free activities and attractions. Every destination has a plethora of free or low-cost activities and attractions. From exploring beautiful parks and gardens to visiting local markets, museums, or attending cultural events, there's always something to do that won't break the bank. Take advantage of these opportunities to immerse yourself in the local culture and create unforgettable memories without spending a fortune. And there you have it, some extra tips to help you travel on a budget. By taking a Tuesday flight, packing only carry-on luggage, and implementing these other strategies, you can save money while still having an incredible adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, AdventureScope, for more travel tips, destination guides, and exciting adventures. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. Share your own budget travel tips or any questions you have in the comments below. We're here to help and inspire you to explore the world while keeping your wallet happy. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep living your best life.